This is an automated reading of the Dynamics 365 2025 Wave 1 release notes. It is changed and optimized for this format and might contain errors. For the full release notes, please go to dynamics.com for the complete version. In this episode, we'll cover the second part of Dynamics 365 Finance, covering business performance and Copilot innovations. Let's get started. Overview. Finance continues to be a strategic leader in an organization's growth plan, and a key aspect is gaining competitive advantage by leaning in on how AI can transform not only the productivity of an organization, but the ability to view deep insights on data for faster decision-making. We continue to strengthen our autonomous financial application goals by bringing additional Copilot and agentic capabilities to customers, while strengthening the core offering, setting the foundation for end-to-end automation and Copilot experiences. In this release, we will continue our preview of the account reconciliation agent, moving this process from end of period to a systematic, real-time experience. We are also introducing a new journal framework, bringing additional control, hyperscale, and multi-company capabilities to both the entry and import experience. Modern bank reconciliation and automation continue to be enhanced to reach deeper capabilities based on user feedback. In globalization, we continue expanding our out-of-the-box localizations with releases for Turkey and Argentina. Ensure the system stays up to date with evolving electronic invoicing, tax reporting, and other legislations, while also enhancing tax automation capabilities. Business Performance Analytics introduces increased data fresh and extensibility capabilities, and Business Performance Planning provides intelligent actions and templates for quickly starting with the continuous planning process. Features and user experience enhancements are designed with Copilot First Experience. Using Copilot to gain deep insights across documents in the application, gain insights in a fixed assets book, help with increasing automation in bank reconciliation, and reduce the manual work involved in managing taxes and applying regulatory updates. Investment areas. Business performance. The Business Performance suite of capabilities brings together analytics, planning, and insights as an extensible solution on a single platform to continuously plan, act, and analyze your financial and operational data. Features in business performance showcase our enhancements around business performance planning and business performance analytics. Copilot. Copilot provides users with AI-powered assistance and helps resolve tasks more efficiently with less steps by guiding users through these tasks, empowering users with data, ensuring best decisions, and taking actions. These time savings enable faster execution of financial tasks and let users spend time on more value-added activities. First topic, business performance. The Business Performance suite of capabilities brings together analytics, planning, and insights as an extensible solution on a single platform to continuously plan, act, and analyze your financial and operational data. Features in business performance showcase our enhancements around business performance planning and business performance analytics. First feature, create dimensions and cubes using Copilot in business performance planning. Public preview, April 2025. General availability not yet announced. Implementations for planning software can take days to months as organizations and consultants evaluate previous tools or tabs of Excel spreadsheets to figure out their models and implementation plans. By using these Excel spreadsheets and Copilot, users have a recommended and guided experience to have suggestions on the configurations of dimensions and cubes in planning. By pointing to existing spreadsheets used for planning, organizations can reduce implementation time by receiving guided experience. Using dimension and cube creation Copilot for planning. This process is simplified and streamlined by pointing to the Excel spreadsheets and having the system recommend dimensions, values, cubes, and formulas. New feature, Streamline Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations Integration via Business Performance Analytics. Public preview, May 2025. General availability not yet announced. Streamlining access to Dynamics 365 Finance data with Business Performance Planning provides the following benefits. 1. Boost efficiency. You save time by cutting down on manual data entry, letting you dive straight into the analysis that matters. 2. Improved accuracy. With direct integration, your planning uses the latest financial data, so you can trust your numbers. 3. Smooth experience. A unified platform means a consistent, user-friendly experience, making your tools easier to use. 4. Real-time insights. You get up-to-date financial info, helping you make quick, informed decisions. 5. Cut costs. Fewer systems mean lower maintenance and training costs, putting money back in your pocket. 6. Strategic edge. Using integrated data for planning gives you a leg up, helping you spot trends and opportunities first. This feature turns financial planning into a more efficient, accurate, and strategic process, driving better business outcomes for you. How do you see this integration changing the way you plan? The integration between business performance planning and business performance analytics enhances financial planning, forecasting, and operational efficiency by providing a seamless connection between business performance planning and Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. This feature allows you to leverage analytical tables built by Business Performance Analytics, enabling better decision-making and agility in planning. The integration addresses key challenges such as data inconsistencies, lack of direct data import methods, unfriendly table names, and performance issues. By simplifying the process and using AI to assist in building and planning data models, this integration helps you make timely, data-driven decisions and improves the overall user experience. 1. Allow user to access to the business performance analytical tables. 2. Pick and choose the tables required by you to start doing planning. 3. Perform transformation, such as group by, filter, on those tables before importing it into Dataverse. New feature. Put planning into action using outlier detection. Public preview, June 2025. General availability, not yet announced. Organizations can streamline their planning process with outlier detection, increasing their business agility and reducing time to take action in the planning cycle. Planning is a critical part of an organization's process that helps it model out potential growth or business changes and get insight into the details and impact of new or divested investments. Organizations strive to do more continuous planning to get a competitive advantage by moving faster, getting insights earlier to be more agile and dynamic than their competition. Utilizing algorithms for outlier detection or for forecasting, businesses can have a more reliable plan. By automating these planning actions and creating new scenarios and reports, companies can save time by eliminating manual processes. Automating the full plan to act to analyze process is possible with the business performance capabilities, Power Automate, and Dynamics 365 Finance. This feature will provide visualization of outliers' ability to exclude outliers from planning scenario. New feature. Empower users with generative help and guidance. In public preview since August 2024. General availability April 2025. With the help of Copilot, users can get assistance without leaving business performance analytics. Users can ask Copilot questions about the application and receive responses without needing to manually find an answer themselves, saving time for our end users and potentially their company's IT support division as well. New and veteran users of business performance analytics can ask Copilot about the application using a conversational interface. Copilot takes the user's prompt and then scans the business performance analytics documentation on Microsoft Learn and summarizes the relevant pieces in its response. This way, new users can first learn about business performance analytics, or veteran users can learn about new features to business performance analytics within the application itself. This saves time for the end user and their company's IT support because the user doesn't need to leave the application and manually find an answer themselves or submit a support ticket for their issue. New feature. Refresh data frequently in business performance analytics. Public preview. February 2025. General availability, April 2025. Increasing the frequency of data refreshes in business performance analytics enhances its business value by providing more timely and accurate insights. This improvement accelerates the month-end close process and enhances reporting accuracy, enabling quicker decision-making and better financial management. As a result, businesses can respond more swiftly to changing conditions, optimize performance, and maintain a competitive edge. Increasing the frequency of data refreshes in business performance analytics supports 2 updates per day at general availability. Future releases will further enhance this feature by enabling more frequent refresh cycles. This capability allows users to make faster, data-driven decisions based on the most current information available, solving the issue of outdated data. Incremental data processing will be implemented, ensuring only new or changed data is processed, which reduces the time required for updates. This improvement will enhance operational efficiency, provide real-time analytics, and enable stakeholders to access the latest data. More frequent updates will drive better strategic planning, business agility, and responsiveness to market changes, thereby supporting continuous business growth and adaptability. New feature. Use managed extensibility of data models. Public preview, February 2025. General availability, April 2025. The managed extensibility of data models in business performance analytics significantly enhances its business value by offering customers the flexibility to seamlessly integrate data from Dynamics 365 extensions and proprietary sources. This feature allows for a more comprehensive and customized data analysis, ensuring that all relevant information is included in decision-making processes. By enabling easy integration of additional data, businesses can achieve deeper insights, improved accuracy in reporting, and tailored analytics that meet specific business needs. This adaptability drives better strategic planning, operational efficiency, and supports continuous growth and innovation. By incorporating placeholder fields and empty star schemas, customers can map their unique fields, enabling customized and tailored analytics. This approach allows businesses to extend the BPA model to meet specific needs, facilitating deeper insights and more relevant reporting. Enabled within business performance analytics and a customer's Fabric license, this feature addresses the issue of extending the business performance analytics data model written off Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations data to conform to additional data sources in Fabric. Ultimately, managed extensibility fosters a highly adaptable analytics environment, supporting personalized decision-making and driving business growth through tailored data integration. New feature. Start planning quickly with template solutions in Dynamics 365 Finance. Public preview. Not available. General availability, June 2025. Users have the opportunity to quickly try planning when connecting to Dynamics 365 Finance. When evaluating or demonstrating new planning software, financial planning and analysis managers or partners would like to have a trial experience with their own data. This process typically takes weeks to configure as a proof of concept. Quick start templates provide this experience in minutes versus days. By using information about the chart of accounts and properties of posted data, when an organization connects to Dynamics 365 Finance, out-of-the-box templates provide a view of the organization's profit and loss. With editing capabilities, users can try out the entry experience immediately. This feature provides the ability to import and export a business performance planning data model, cube, and dimension from one environment to another. New feature. Get support for multiple languages in business performance analytics. Public preview, July 2025. General availability, September 2025. Supporting multiple languages in business performance analytics enhances accessibility and usability for a global audience. This feature allows users from different regions to interact with business performance analytics in their native language, improving comprehension and reducing the risk of misinterpretation. By accommodating a diverse user base, businesses can ensure more accurate and efficient data analysis and reporting. Supporting multiple languages in business performance analytics enhances accessibility and usability for a global audience. By offering translations for data, metadata, schema, and the app interface, business performance analytics ensures that users from different linguistic backgrounds can interact with the platform in their preferred language, improving user experience and engagement. This inclusivity fosters a diverse user base, promoting collaboration across international teams and enhancing overall productivity. Additionally, multilingual support helps organizations comply with regional regulations and standards, driving broader adoption and ensuring business performance analytics meets the needs of a global market. This feature will be enabled in an upcoming release, further expanding business performance analytics reach and effectiveness. New topic, Copilot. Copilot provides users with AI-powered assistance and helps resolve tasks more efficiently with less steps by guiding users through these tasks, empowering users with data, ensuring best decisions, and taking actions. These time savings enable faster execution of financial tasks and let users spend time on more value-added activities. New feature. Experience the immersive homepage and Copilot for Accounts Payable Clerk. Public preview, June 2025. General availability not yet announced. New immersive homepages and redesigned workspaces help accounts payable (AP) clerks stay focused on their priorities and simplifies the most complex tasks. The immersive experience will provide the ability to pivot on data in the manner required by your organization or tasks across legal entities. An AI will be used to determine immersive homepage content, allowing the AP clerks to more efficiently handle AP tasks and shift effort to more value-added, strategical work. The central immersive homepage for AP clerks contains 1. Overall status of autonomous invoice processing. 2. Daily work summary for the AP clerk. 3. AI-guided work list for AP clerk. List of invoices with exceptions. List of invoices for approval. 4. Various insight reports. New feature. Search documents using natural language using Document Explorer. Public preview, July 2025. General availability not yet announced. Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations offers comprehensive document tracking for the entire business process. For example, in the order-to-cash workflow, key documents include sales agreements, sales orders, packing slips, customer invoices, collection letters, and customer payments. The Document Explorer workspace lets users search documents using natural language, view end-to-end document relationships, and display documents across legal entities without needing to switch contexts. Enhanced capabilities for a more seamless and efficient experience. The new Document Explorer workspace enhances document management with these powerful capabilities. 1. Natural language document search. 2. Document search across legal entities. 3. End-to-end document relationship views. In public preview, the following modules and documents are supported. 1. In accounts payable on purchase orders, product receipts, vendor invoices, vendor payments. 2. In accounts receivable on sales orders, packing slips, customer invoices, customer payments. 3. In cash and bank management on bank statements. New feature. Summarize fixed asset book with Copilot. Public preview, July 2025. General availability not yet announced. Fixed asset book summaries with Copilot provide a quick overview of the most important information related to a selected fixed asset book. By pulling data from actual posted transactions, Copilot presents essential details, like acquisition cost, depreciation, and net book value without the need to manually dig through reports. The summaries are designed to fit seamlessly into your daily workflows, helping you make informed decisions faster and manage your assets more effectively. The Asset Book page now includes a summary by Copilot Fast tab that summarizes the currently selected asset book and shows status on the asset, historical transactions, and insights about the asset future. The Copilot offers an overview of fixed assets, including acquisition dates, service dates, and initial acquisition costs. It summarizes acquisition adjustments, write-ups/downs, and total accumulated depreciation, calculating the net book value, NBV. Additionally, it provides future-focused insights, such as remaining depreciation periods, upcoming depreciation periods reminders, and disposal considerations based on the asset book's depreciation method and service life. This concludes the reading of the 2025 Wave 1 release notes for Dynamics 365 Finance Part 2. For more information, go to dynamics.com or dynpodcast.com for more information. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date.